Hi there and welcome to the channel. I'm working on the Alphard today, 3-litre MZ. It's the same for all the other Alphards, but essentially what we're going to do is we're going to replace this unit over here which controls the lights and levels them out by adjusting them as you go over bumps and stuff like that, or with extra weight. So how do we get to it? Well, first thing you do is you're removing your wheel of your car to gain access, jack the car up, support it well, and have a look here. There's a 10mm bolt here, and behind it there's a 10mm nut. So basically you hold the nut with a spanner and remove the front one, or with a socket set. The top one socket set just to remove that, and that's got the built-in washer flange on the nut. Okay, this is the center unit which I'm replacing. So disconnect that by pressing this button, sliding it back. Sometimes those connections just get dirty, you can just clean them with electrical cleaner. The next thing, we're going to remove the two bolts that hold this cabin thing through. So this 10mm bolt there, and a 10mm bolt underneath. That allows the casing to come out, and that will incorporate the center unit there as well. Okay, when it comes out, you'll see the 3 screws at the front. What I'm going to suggest is basically taking these screws and cleaning them with a wire brush first, and I've got the old one here, and you can see when you remove that you're able to take this away, and you can see what's happened here is the nut snapped over there. Okay, so we've taken it away. We now reassemble the whole thing back together again. You'll notice these two nuts in another video. These two nuts here allow you to adjust the ride height, so basically you've got to be within the tolerances of the unit. I hope that's been useful for you. Assembling, of course, is the exact opposite of taking it apart. Okay, I'm going to put it back together again. Take care, cheers, and